Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you our gear
and our new Airsoft guns.
Alright, first we're going to be showing you my Game Face Airsoft pistol, 13th version. It's really nice, 30 round clip, semi-automatic, and switch stuff, fully automatic.
This is a Smith & Wesson CO2 blowback. It has a CO2 canister that slides into the bottom. It holds 15 to 20 rounds, and yeah. Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on my green tactical vest here. It has pouches on the inside. It can hold up to 3 mag pouches on the front, and it has 2 mag patches on the back. It also has knife holders on both sides if you have a rubber knife of any kind. You got your pistol holster right here, you need that, and you got your pistol pouches. There's 3 of those. This is for any supplies or CO2 cartridges that you may have or need during battle. On this side is for real shotgun shells, or any real gun shells for that matter. This is my M4 Combat Raider machine. It has 500. Alright, this gun includes a camera mount that you can face forwards or backwards if you wanted to take some cool videos of yourself. It includes a red dot scope that I put on here. It shoots 500 FPS, and the magazine holds 400 BBs approximately. And battery stock is in the back. You can adjust it, different levels if you're short, if you're tall, and yeah, it's automatic, or you have your semi, and yeah, overall pretty good gun.
Alright guys, this is my new sniper, something like a double eagle or something like that. Really nice. It's a $80 sniper actually. I got it real cheap, but it's a really good gun, I'll tell you that. I use 25 grams in it, or 20s, but adjustable hop up, 480 FPS with a 20 gram BB. It's got a long barrel, an M40 stock, 27 round mag, yeah, and a sling mount that I actually made out of zip ties that I put onto the scope mount or rail and onto the chin adjustment, which is really a nice part of the M40 stock. The reason I had to zip tie my what's this called, the sling on this side, was because I wanted it to fit real nice like this, and the sling that it was made for was like a left-hander sling, so that didn't really work for me. My scope, it's a really nice scope. I got it for about $20, I think. It's really nice though. 3 times magnification, up to 9 times the magnification for 40 yards. And yeah, hope to get some good gameplay with this video.
Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing a review of my new sniper rifle. I'll start off with the snow camouflage that I've put on here for this season. Scare the heck out of my enemies while I'm stalking them. It comes with an adjustable bipod according to what size you prefer. There's a hop-up adjustment on the side here if you want to make your BBs go in a straight line. The scope is Lancer Tactical. It can zoom up to a 9 level, which is a pretty high level. The mag holds about 20 rounds, and can't get it out at the moment because it's stuck. There we go. Holds 20 rounds. Pretty easy to get in and out if you need one. The firing mechanism is a bolt action, and fire and safe is right on next to that. Your chin adjustments are on the back here if you need to adjust it according to your face height. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty nice gun. Shoots up to 500 FPS, and it's a pretty good gun.
What's up guys? Today we are going to be showing you our new gear
and airsoft guns.
Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be...
There's a cat under your table. We are going to be showing our new guns.
Guys, today we're gonna show you our new gear and guns. Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be showing you our gear and our new guns.
From our mommies.
But you can't do that.
But you can't do this.
First, we'll start off showing you our pistols. This is a game face airsoft pistol, 13th version. But what's nice is it's a 30 round mag and a semi-automatic and fully automatic. It's pretty nice.
This pistol is a Smith & Wesson, darn it, CO2. That's a blooper. And it has a CO2 canister that you flip in through the bottom. It can hold 15 BBs, and it's a non-cock CO2.
Hey guys, I'm going to show you our pistols. Because I'm from outer space, you know. Yeah, no.
Alright, this gun has a camera mount on the side. You can hold your camera left or right.
Mag.
Yep. Oh, Sal. I think she said your name.
Okay.
Blooper.
My mom was calling my brother.
'Tis the season to be camo-y. And I am having a brain fart. I have... I have a Lancer tactical scope. Darn it, I put this on you like this. Can I start over? Oh my word. A tactical scope that I use. Oh my word, I just forgot my bills. These things. They're not on.
Oh my god.
Maybe you should do this, Victor. Your chin adjustments are on the back here if you want to, like... I'm sorry.